welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my November plan with me, but first we're going to take a look back at October and my great pumpkin Charlie Brown theme that I did. Actually, after I did the theme, I went back and I added some more stickers and everything. And as you can see, I failed at doing the 31 days of Halloween yet again, and I didn't do a whole lot of fall baking this month either. Mainly because I spent the better part of October dealing with some serious depression issues and stuff. And so for November, I just wanted to keep it as simple as possible. And since November is National Novel Writing Month, I decided that I wanted to do a writing theme for the month. And so I learned how to do how to draw like an age scroll and everything. I think this is probably a good time to discuss, taking time out for yourself and dealing with your mental health and everything. And for me, October was really, really difficult. I really can't explain it, but it hit me like a ton of bricks, and I just found myself incapable of dealing with my channel, dealing with anything in life and whatnot. And it's gotten to a point now where it is affecting my job, my work and everything, because even though like I'm getting up and I'm going to work and I'm doing my job to the best of my abilities, some days it is very difficult to get going and get out of bed and just do what I have to do as an adult and as a human being. And there's a Rosie. She decided to interrupt filming. But just trying to crank out content for everyone and to get this channel off the ground, and then also just do my job as an employee and as a wife and as a friend. It's just everything has been very, very difficult. Sorry, I've got a sore throat. So that's why for November, I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. Originally, I was going to do a typewriter type theme, for NaNoWriMo, but I couldn't. I ran out of time to practice drawing a typewriter, and I just also lost motivation to learn how to do it. And that's a big part, I think, of depression, is when you have severe depression, you lose motivation to do anything. And you know what has to be done. You know that you have to get this done, and you've got to get this done and that done. But there's literally no motivation to do any of it. And my biggest issue that I've dealt with for the past month is knowing that I'm likely disappointing people. I'm letting people down. And there's such a giant part of you that's just like, who gives a damn? Because you're wallowing in your own emotions and in your own, like, just dealing with your own emotions and everything. Like, I call it the hamster wheel of negative thoughts, essentially. It just goes round and round. But I'm hoping that for November that I can probably take some time off, maybe from working, and focus on things that are a little less stressful, such as dealing with my YouTube channel, which actually this is not very stressful at all for me. It's just more or less finding the time to do it in conjunction with everything else. And right here, I just realized I wrote the wrong day for one of the paydays in November. Yeah, I wish I was getting paid that early. I also didn't achieve any of my tasks for October. None of them, didn't do any of them. And right here, the Thanksgiving, this was so awful looking. Like, I cringe looking at this. When I was doing this spread right here, I lost patience with it midway through. But yeah, that's my November theme. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give the video itself a thumbs up. Definitely click that little bell icon so you know that when I upload. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to upload some more for the month of November. Hopefully, we'll see. But bye.